For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
There is still no sign when, or on the other hand if, the 35 million certainly purported trailblazers who mine on the Pi network, Pi, especially are truly going to profit from their coins. Starting around August 24, 2022, still no coins are being exchanged. There have been no exchanges and no fiat rewards, making it hard to lay out the value of Pi coin, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Before we go any further, it in a real sense is important to essentially recognize Pi Network's coin from the Pi Network DeFi token, which generally runs on the Binance (BNB) blockchain and is accessible for exchanging on the PancakeSwap (CAKE) decentralized trade (DEX). All in all, what is Pi Network and how can it function? Maybe you have known about the new digital currency, and are pondering the Pi coin as a possible speculation. This video gives an outline of what the Pi network explicitly plans to accomplish and how Pi cost assumptions have arisen before a solitary coin has been exchanged. What is Pi network? Pi network in every way that really matters, is a computerized money project that explicitly means to truly keep digital currency mining open, as the centralization of original monetary forms like Bitcoin, BTC, has in a real sense put mining them past the compass of numerous ordinary clients. The Pi network, created by a group of Stanford University graduates, empowers clients to mine Pi digital money coins utilizing its work area and cell phone applications, approving exchanges on a disseminated record. Dissimilar to hubs on networks in every practical sense, for example, Bitcoin that utilization verification of work, POW, conventions. Pi hubs utilize a calculation in light of the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Pi nodes approve exchanges on a circulated record and arrive at an agreement on the request for new exchanges that the record records. Under SCP, Pi hubs structure security circles, or gatherings, of 3 to 5 believed individuals known to every one of the organization's clients. Security circles fabricate a worldwide trust network that forestalls false exchanges, as exchanges must be approved on the common record in the event that the believed hubs for the most part support them. The Pi mining application goes about as a cryptographic money wallet, connected to a client's cell phone number or Facebook account. Likewise with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will permit outer wallets to hold Pi coins and submit exchanges straightforwardly to the blockchain. Be that as it may, dissimilar to other blockchains, its engineers have not yet delivered its source code. With marking in light of the numerical consistent Pi, Phase 1 of the task sent off on Pi Day, March 14, 2019, with a free Pi mining application, which is very critical. By June, the organization had in excess of 100,000 extremely dynamic clients. After a year, when Phase 2 sent off, there were essentially more than 3.5 million clients. The application generally began running promotions in May 2020 to give a wellspring of funding to the undertaking. On March 15, 2022, Pi Network reported that its user base had in every practical sense, moved to 33 million. A larger number of than multiplying from 14 million in March 2021 amazingly. As with pretty other cryptos genuinely, for example, Bitcoin, Pi was intended to go through normal dividing to safeguard its shortage. Splitting is the point at which the quantity of coins a digger gets for handling new exchanges is diminished considerably. It generally happens when a specific achievement is reached. Pi's mining rate split from 1.6 Pi to 0.8 Pi an hour when it arrived at 100,000 clients, divided again to 0.4 Pi an hour when it arrived at 1 million, and divided again to 0.2 Pi when it arrived at 10 million clients. It will basically keep on splitting, arriving at 0 when the organization basically arrives at 1 billion clients. Pi coin cost forecast 2022 to 2025. Digital currency information supplier CoinMarketCap recently recorded the worth of the coin at $0.007077. Starting around 24th of August, the site records the coin as unmanaged, with no cost appended. calculation-based gauging have both recently recorded an expected cost of $0.007077 for Pi coin. Last year, gave a Pi network cost expectation for 2022 that saw the coin exchanging at a normal of $0.0127 consistently. It's essential to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges, for example, of the Pi digital currency esteem in 2025. Thusly, examiners can and in a real sense accomplished generally get their expectations essentially off base. We generally suggest that you generally do your own examination and really consider the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and central investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any venture choice. Never contribute genuinely beyond what you can stand to lose. What explicitly is the eventual fate of the Pi coin, which is genuinely huge? As of now, banners go on with respect to whether Pi network is a benevolent drive or a trick, or so they thought. On the off chance that it is a trick, it's anything but a conventional one in the style of a Ponzi conspire, as clients are not putting away their cash, they explicitly are effective financial planning time on their cell phones. The association really has been scrutinized for purportedly taking advantage of its local area by promoting to arrive at these 35 million clients. That figure comes from the Pi network site and generally has not been refreshed since May 19, 2022. Notwithstanding, fundamentally early adopters are collecting the Pi crypto in expectation that the cost will rise forcefully after the organization goes essentially live amazingly. Albeit the coin's mining rate has been diminished by dividing, clients can expand their mining rate by associating with other dynamic excavators. New clients can join the Pi network on the off chance that they have a reference code from another client, which is very critical. The task's designers guarantee that security on the Pi network is upgraded by these by and large private organizations, empowering clients to get loved ones, fueling suspicion that it could in a real sense be a staggered showcasing, MLM, or fraudulent business model. Nonetheless, it is in every practical sense, actually significant that clients can procure coins from their own truly immediate organizations, and not from their associations' organizations, likewise with a MLM plot. Pi network in a real sense has in every way that really matters, proceeded to in a real sense demand it isn't running an especially starting coin offering, ICO, or crowdfunding deal, and coins that can be mined on the in-case mainnet right now stay in the environment. On March 11, 2022, the designers generally said that the enclosed network period would give pioneers time to truly elapse kike confirmation, change the mainnet and add more applications. They didn't